you've ever seen these battery grips, these power winders on the bottom of a camera, it's like, what do they do? Like, why do we use them? Should I get one? Gonna do a little video to show you about them, how to use them, and what they are. So looking at these two, there's obviously a size difference, there's ergonomics that you have with the grip, there's a little bit more weight. But for the traditional, just when you're regularly shooting with the camera, you'll focus, you'll fire, you've got to wind. And for a lot of shooting film, most people like to have the slower pace, and you can shoot it and you walk around and then take your next shot. But if you're needing to shoot fast, or if you're in a situation where you need to be able to, you're going through a lot of film and you're needing the auto rewind, you can maybe rewind while you put this down and grab another camera. But this one right here, you would have your normal button up here, which would fire in advance, or you've got this nice grip, which feels good on the hand. And now, so you can just, if you're tracking your subject for lifestyle or whatever you're shooting, it's like really nice to not be able to take it off, not have to take it off. You can track your focus the whole time. You're not having to shoot. You're losing those little moments where you can actually be waiting for the moment and then just nail it as it's ready to go. You've got Canon AE1, very popular camera. And this is just this little bit that you add on here. And with that, you've got this brand new, amazing technology that is built in the 1980s of 1 frame a second. But it's nice to not have to be able to wind that. The ergonomics on the Pentax is actually, this one's sort of my favorite. You've got these nice little grips here, and then your trigger's out in front. So that's how that one sounds. And then you have a little bit more professional camera, which would be the Nikon F3. And then this one, that's some speed right there. So that's a continuous function, or you could just do it when you need it, but this camera is absolutely amazing. When I shoot professionally. When I'm shooting, because I've had the digital cameras, I have them for the video cameras that we're using right here, anything that works on the typical Canon 5D system, these lenses, which are really, really nice lenses, now all you have to do is buy this body and you've got a really high-grade professional film camera. So I have the EOS 1V as well. This is the EOS 1N. This body's a little bit cheaper. I tag it this, I usually have black and white film in here, but to be able to blast like that. But what I'm usually using this camera for, I'm using medium format most of the time for portraits, but when I need to shoot something that's moving, or I'm able to put longer lenses on here, switch out the lenses pretty quick, this camera is amazing. When I typically have my subject is walking towards me, I can track the focus really fast, or you've got autofocus, which is really nice. I'm usually doing manual focus with the medium format cameras, but again, the ergonomics, you're not having to go like this and bring your chicken wing way out there to shoot. You have a button right up here and can fire this way. So this is really amazing, and I would highly recommend these. You've got a few different we've got them in the shop. You can check out the link below. But the EOS 1N is, we have several of these in the shop. Really good value, amazing cameras. So I don't know. I think I would highly recommend getting one of these grips. I think they're really amazing. I think they feel great in the hand. I feel, and a lot of ergonomics is really important when you're shooting, especially if you're shooting a lot. But that's what they do. That's what they are. Hope you like it. I'd get one if I was you. And, you're supposed to be able to mentally understand and know exactly what I'm thinking. So you can just hand it to me that way.
Yeah, I thought you were gonna end it with that one.
I don't know what I was doing. I was gonna. Oops. You gotta use this button. That's why these things are really fun. I think it's a really, really cool accessory, and especially if you're wanting to shoot lifestyle and something motion, or anything with motion, pretty awesome. So, recommend it.